In 2026, the most important delivery isn't the baby, it's the microscopic world they bring with them. Welcome to Little Stork Corner. Today, we decode the gut-brain axis to solve infant colic and allergies. For decades, we've seen a rise in colic, but modern science reveals it's often a microbial imbalance. Meet B. infantis. This specific strain is the master architect of the infant immune system and brain. Breast milk contains HMOs. Humans can't digest them. They exist solely to feed your baby's bacteria. As B. infantis feeds, it releases protective acids, lowering the gut pH to kill off dangerous pathogens. This prevents leaky gut, stopping toxins from entering the bloodstream and causing systemic inflammation. This symbiotic relationship is the foundation of human health. Without the microbe, the milk is incomplete. The vagus nerve is a high-speed data cable. 90% of the signals travel from the gut up to the brain. An inflamed gut sends stress signals to the brain, keeping your baby in a state of high cortisol. When the microbiome is balanced, it produces the serotonin needed for deep, restorative sleep cycles. Fix the gut, and you often fix the sleep. This is the 2026 approach to infant wellness. In 2026, we are swapping aggressive sanitization for strategic microexposures to train the immune system. Exposure to pets and healthy dirt provides the microbial diversity needed to prevent asthma and allergies. The window of tolerance is narrow. Early introduction of allergens like peanuts is now the gold standard. By introducing these proteins early, we teach the immune system to recognize them as friends, not foes. Personalized microbiome testing is becoming the standard. We no longer guess, we measure. You are building a biological legacy that will last your child a lifetime. Start at the root. Thank you for joining us at Little Stork Corner. Your baby's health is a journey we take together. Subscribe to Little Stork Corner for more medical deep dives. Every little stork deserves a healthy start.